So I got this board from a customer yesterday. This is an A1932 2018-19 MacBook Air logic board, which has already been to a different repair center. A humble request to all those people who perform logic board repairs in my city or all over the world. If you cannot fix something, at least please don't ruin it to a level where there are components missing in this area. I have to pinpoint, see these, both the chips are missing. The resistor, the capacitors here are missing. There's flux all over the board. This is how you should not work. This is not how you work. If you cannot do it, at least please don't ruin it, because this is ruined to its bits and pieces. They try to take out the PMIC. They try to mess around with the T2 chip. This is a Thunderbolt controller. I tried to lift these 3 coils which are for the CPU power, and on all the 3 coils it's showing 2 ohms to ground. That means the CPU is dead. This board is a no fix. If it would have come to us in the first place, this would have been a fix, but unfortunately, if you can see, there's some sticky stuff all over the board. That's the flux, that's the solder flux. And also, the moment I opened the heatsink, I couldn't find any thermal compound on it. If you can see, these 1, 2, 3 holes are intact, but the 4th hole, the person has messed up with the screw. The screw tail has got stuck in the hole. Why do you work like this, man? Please don't do it. If you want to learn things, at least buy dead boards from the market and do it. Do not do this on the customer's board, because this is a very costly machine. It costs about $1 lakh. And due to your lack of repair skills and your all your cheap repair techniques and your lack of knowledge is killing these expensive machines. I will show you one more disaster which was done on this board. If you can see, there's a capacitor stuck in the middle of the capacitors. They tried to take out the PMIC and they cracked it on 2 of the corners. Just observe a little bit, you will understand. There's a capacitor stuck in between the capacitors. This is not how you work, buddy. I am sorry. If this is the kind of work you want to do, please find something else for yourself. But do not try to mess up with customers' logic boards. This cost not less than 55,000. That's what I want to say. Be cautious, people. To whom are you giving your devices for repair? This would have been a very easy fix, but sadly, due to a very bad mess up by the earlier person, we couldn't fix this. I don't know who worked on this, but he has messed up big time on this. I'm sorry. Rest in peace, little MacBook.